Not sure which is the best RAM kit for a Ryzen 5 7600X PC build? The Ryzen 5 7600X is the de facto introduction into the AM5 platform. It matches the Ryzen 7 5800X3D in gaming, and even outperforms it in other areas, making it an enticing entry into the newer chipset and socket family. As always with Ryzen CPUs, the 7600X also responds well to faster memory. The faster it can get, the better it can perform. Instead of focusing on lower latency kits, it's important to make sure that the kit clocks high while remaining stable. In case of latency, anything including CL36 and lower is perfectly fine and snappy. For this video, I've chosen 3 kits for a budget, a premium, and a mid-range PC that pair best with this chip. Kicking things off is the budget option. The Kingston Fury Beast 16GB kit at 5600 megatransfers per second CL36. While DDR5 has matured quite a bit over the past couple of years, the entry-level price point still struggles to offer something that stands out to make a good impression. There are a lot of stock 4800 megatransfers per second CL40 kits that make sense only for those who are looking to squeeze as much performance per dollar as possible. Taking a look at just a tad higher reveals quite a few options. One of these is the Patriot Viper Venom, which comes in a 2x8GB kit with decent speeds but terrible timings and an especially poor first-word latency. This only left me with a few crucial and one Corsair kit, all of which I would avoid. They're all running at stock speeds and have really poor timings and a cast latency of 40, 42, or even 46 nanoseconds. After taking everything I mentioned into consideration, it becomes clear that because of its high speed of 5600 megatransfers per second and low latency of 36 nanoseconds, the Kingston Fury Beast is the obvious choice. DDR5 RAM does indeed scale a lot with faster speeds, unlike DDR4 did. Latency also plays quite an important role, but not too much that I would choose a slower kit with lower latency. As long as it's under or equal to 36 nanoseconds, you can expect excellent response times. For just over $50, you'd be hard-pressed to find a kit of RAM that makes more sense than this one for the Ryzen 5 7600X. It's everything that others need to strive to become if they want a shot at the low end of the market. Moving on to those who are willing to spend quite a lot on memory, I recommend the Corsair Vengeance 64GB DDR5 kit that's running at 6400 megatransfers per second CL32. This perfectly balances speed, latency, and capacity without costing too much. I chose this kit primarily for 2 reasons. First, I wanted a kit that crosses the 6000 megatransfers per second mark, so it can offer seriously fast speeds. Secondly, I wanted it to be a low latency kit as well that's not too far off from the ideal CL30 timing. What I also love about this kit is that not only is it fast with a low cast latency, the sub-timings are also excellent. Even with the Expo profile enabled, the timings are a remarkable 32, 40, 40, 84, which eliminates the requirement of personally tuning in the kit to truly get the most out of performance. Comparing it with others in the same price range, there are plenty of options to choose from, but the Corsair beats them all out in terms of memory timings. Even the beloved G.Skill Trident Z5 kit only manages memory timings of 32, 39, 39, 102. All in all, at $200, it is a tough kit to beat. The Corsair Vengeance 64GB kit offers ample room without any performance compromises, which proves that not only is it great for productivity, it's a really good RAM kit for gaming as well. Moving on to my top pick for a Ryzen 5 7600X PC build, we have the Silicon Power Value Gaming 32GB DDR5 kit. The true sweet spot for DDR5 RAM and new PCs in general is going to be 32GB from now on, but many good and purchase-worthy kits tend to be priced north of $100. I wanted to choose a kit that doesn't feel like a burden, but rather as something liberating. This particular Silicon Power Value Gaming kit that I recommend checks out all those boxes. Firstly, it's a 2x16GB kit clocked at 6400 megatransfers per second, so that checks out being faster than 6000 megatransfers per second. Secondly, it runs stable at CL32 with acceptable timings for the price, thus checking out being tighter than CL36. I looked at many alternatives, but it seemed as if the Silicon Power Kit was out of their reach. It's priced quite a bit lower than all of them while maintaining such good specs. For example, the Patriot Viper Venom 32GB kit was the closest in terms of specs and price, and even then it is quite a bit more expensive, which makes it easy to skip it. At the end of the day, the price tag of the Silicon Power Value Gaming Kit is just a major challenge for other RAM makers to meet, and this is great, as it should drive DDR5 prices down. But, as it stands now, this is the best kit to pair with the Ryzen 5 7600X. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helps you choose the perfect RAM kit for your Ryzen 5 7600X build. If you're interested in more PC building tips and hardware reviews, be sure to check out more of my videos.